And the race is on. My lucky one from the outside. Golden Rage Rockwell. Blitzkrieg running in the middle. Alongside is Abasta, Elgin, and Dayang. Golden Rage, Rockwell, Blitzkrieg. And on the outside is My Lucky One. Abasta is racing from the outside. Rounding the far turn, Golden Rage, Blitzkrieg, Abasta, My Lucky One, Rockwell, Elgin, Dayang. And on far turn, Blitzkrieg, My Lucky One is on the outside. Abasta, Rockwell, Golden Rage, Elgin. As they race the final corner, My Lucky One by ahead, and by the rail is Blitzkrieg, and on the further outside is Rockwell. My Lucky One, Blitzkrieg, down on the inside, and Rockwell is racing in third, but still My Lucky One by a length, followed by Blitzkrieg, by the rail, Rockwell, Elgin, and finally My Lucky One, Blitzkrieg, Rockwell close with Elgin, Abasta, Golden Rage, and Dayang comes last.
Okay.